Summer is here, and that means it's time for outdoor grilling, family gatherings, and enjoying delicious food. But who said grilling is only for meat? Vegetable Kabobs offer a colorful and healthy option that can be just as enjoyable, if not more so. Whether you are a seasoned grill master or a novice, this guide will provide you with practical tips to grill the perfect vegetable kebab. Selecting the right vegetables for a vegetable kebab. The first step is to choose the right vegetables. The best kebabs are made with a variety of flavors and textures. You can use almost any vegetable, but some favorites are bell peppers, red, green, yellow, zucchini, yellow squash, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, and eggplant. Opt for vegetables that can withstand high heat without becoming too mushy. Also, consider color variation for visual appeal. Preparation. 1. Chopping. Cut your selected vegetables into roughly equal-sized pieces. Uniformity is key here, as it allows for even cooking. Aim for bite-sized pieces that will easily fit onto the skewer. 2. Marinating. Although not necessary, marinating can significantly enhance the flavor of your vegetable kebabs. A simple marinade can be made from olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs like rosemary or thyme. Allow your veggies to marinate for at least 30 minutes or as long as overnight in the fridge. 3. Skewering. When skewering your vegetables, consider their cooking times. Arrange them so that the ones requiring longer cooking time, like onions and peppers, are at the ends, and those that cook faster, like cherry tomatoes and zucchini, are in the middle. Leave a small space between each piece to allow heat to circulate and cook everything evenly. Grilling. Now, it's time to grill. Preheat your grill on medium heat. Once the grill is heated, place your skewers on the grill. Rotate them every few minutes to ensure even cooking. Cooking times may vary depending on the size of your vegetable pieces and the heat of your grill. But typically, it takes about 10-15 minutes for the vegetables to become tender and slightly charred. Do not overcook your vegetables, as they can become too soft and lose their texture. A perfect kebab should have a little bit of crunch and the signature smoky flavor from the grill. Serving. Grilled vegetable kebabs are excellent on their own, but they can also be paired with a variety of sauces. For a Mediterranean twist, serve them with tzatziki sauce or a balsamic glaze. Grilling the perfect vegetable kebab might seem daunting, but with the right preparation and a bit of practice, you can master it in no time. Remember, the most important part is to have fun and enjoy the process. Grilling is as much about the experience as it is about the food. So go ahead, fire up the grill, and start creating some delicious and healthy memories with your friends and family. It's crucial to pay attention to the selection and preparation of your vegetables. Different vegetables have varied cooking times, and if combined poorly, you might end up with some components overcooked while others remain undercooked. A great rule of thumb is to pair vegetables with similar cooking times together. Vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, and onions cook relatively quickly, while root vegetables like potatoes and carrots take a bit longer. Pre-cooking the harder vegetables slightly before grilling can also help achieve a harmonious result. Don't forget to marinate your vegetables well in advance to infuse them with flavorful spices and herbs. This will elevate the taste of your vegetable kebabs to a whole new level. Now, onto the grilling process itself. It's important to keep your grill at a medium heat to ensure the vegetables cook evenly without burning. Remember to turn the kebabs regularly for an even char. Be patient. Good grilling is a slow process that can't be rushed, and there's nothing more satisfying than pulling a perfectly grilled vegetable kebab off the grill. The vegetables glistening and charred just right. The smoky flavor, the crunch, and the juiciness will make all the effort worthwhile. So embrace the adventure of grilling and savor the fruits, or rather veggies, of your labor. Thanks for watching.